What's going on, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood web developer back again with another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to optimize those PNG files for your website. So without further ado, let's spin that web. Okay, so as you can see here, I've loaded a nice image for us already into Photoshop, but the file size is a little bit heavier than I'd like it to be for my website. I'll show you here. It's about 6.4 megabytes, and that's a little too much. I think we can do better, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. So to optimize a PNG in Photoshop is actually fairly simple. All you need to do is grab your layer and turn it into a smart object. And once you've done that, you can go to your Image tab up top, go to Adjustments, and then Posterize. So posterizing is going to adjust the levels of colors available in the scene. So it varies from picture to picture. You're going to have to play with it a little bit, but typically somewhere right around 40 levels is a good place to start. So I'm going to go ahead and try that, and then I'm just going to save this out. Okay, now that that's done saving, let's open it up. And I'll arrange these so that we can see them both side by side. Look at that. You can hardly spot the difference. Let's take a look at the file size comparison. Wow. We went from 6.4 all the way down to 3.76. So we have very minimal visible difference, if any, at this level. And we are looking at just a little better than half of the file size. That is pretty sweet. And there you have it, a quick down and dirty way to shed some weight from your PNG files. If you apply this to all the PNG files across your site, you're going to improve your performance, which is going to improve your SEO, which is how you get ranked on Google. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and for more tips and tricks, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.